Welcome everybody. We're at the Lufthansa First Class Terminal in Frankfurt, and today we're flying in first class to Hong Kong, and this is going to be a little walkthrough through the first class terminal. I haven't been here for the last 5 years or so. Last time I was flying to Shanghai, and today it's going to be back to Asia, and Hong Kong is the destination. So the little walkthrough through the lounge itself, it's going to be without much commentary, but it's going to be nice to see, and you'll have a nice impression of what Lufthansa is offering here at the first class terminal. And now we're leaving the cigar lounge again and walking by the restaurant over there, which is now catered by Käfer in Munich. And there is roughly 50 minutes left to boarding time, and then the car is going to be waiting downstairs to drive the passengers to the plane. So without further ado, let's go back into the lounge, a little bit more walking, and then it's time to fly.